So as always, I start by covering a tinfoil ball with Sculpey to shape the head. I use my ball tool to make the eye sockets and place the eyes before I add eyelids and shape out the eyes. I then add the nose and start shaping it and adding nostrils. Ignore the mouth here, I ended up starting over. She was looking too much like E.T., so I added more clay on her chin and her cheeks. Here you'll watch her transform into Abe Lincoln, then muscular Squidward, then Dobby before reaching her final goblin form. I carved in her mouth again, then made some lips. I added 2 pieces of wire to secure her ears, which I sculpted out of cause clay. And now onto her arms. I wanted to try making more of a jointed art doll, so I actually made her whole body out of clay. Here I'm rounding out the shoulders before starting the hands. I rolled out 2 pieces of clay for her legs, then cut them at the knee. I made 2 kneecaps. I shaped the thigh pieces, then twisted some wire together and stuck it through the leg pieces. Then I started making her cinnamon roll shoes. Here I'm making the shoelaces from a super thinly rolled clay. And here I'm making tiny cinnamon roll faces. I then attached the shoes to the calves. and then I made a mini cinnamon roll. I wanted to paint her nails, so I made some nail indentations, making an earring as I usually do on my goblins. Then I started making her torso before attaching her head. I poked in holes for the legs and arms, though I baked all the pieces separately so they wouldn't fuse together. Once she was all baked, I could move on to painting her. Doing the blushing is my favorite part of painting, so clearly I couldn't wait to finish her skin before adding all her blushing. I added some hot pink around her eyes to accentuate them. I was feeling inspired by the early 2000s, so I gave her some light blue lipstick. I then started painting her cinnamon roll sneakers in white and light blue. I used a mechanical pencil to draw the mouth on the cinnamon roll faces. And painting her little tooth white and her nails light blue. I decided to glue these little reflective stars onto her cheeks. And here I'm gluing her parts together. I made the wire a little bit too short on one side of the leg. Started on her hair. I just used some thin yarn and attached it to her head with tacky glue. And I cut some short pieces to make bangs. The video super long, so I'll be posting the video of how I make all her clothes and accessories tomorrow. So stick around and subscribe if you'd